Hey everybody and beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been able to do a video for you guys. It's because I started working on Sundays and I completely forgot that I started working on Sundays. I work in a nail salon because I recently got my esthetician license so I can start doing facials and nails again. So that's why I haven't been able to do videos for you guys, but since this whole mess, I have time now to do a couple videos for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing an honest opinion review on the Frozen 2 Colourpop pressed powder palette. This is the Elsa palette. So if you have not seen a review on this, or if you have, let's just get into this video. Let's get into this palette. Let me show you the colors too. Oh, the colors are pretty. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been able to come on here and do a video for you guys, and I really apologize. And my color switch, oh, there's one here. The color switch. These are good to have to when you want to switch out your colors really quickly on your brushes. I've only got a couple brushes here, but that's okay. Because these are like in between washes. What you can do is just switch them out, and what you do is just switch it on here and it helps get the color off. So these are really good to get. You can get these anywhere. You can even get them at the Dollar Tree, I've seen. But anyway, so today we're going to be getting into this Frozen 2 palette by Colourpop. I have the Anna one too, but it's out in the living room. These colors are really, really pretty. Let me do a quick swatch for you. So this is the first row. Cuddle Close, Fire, and Northern Lights. So this is Cuddle Close. Let me do a better swatch. Fire is the next one. And Northern Lights is the one on the end. The next one is Gale, Flurry, and Water. I don't know if I'm saying these right because I can't really. Yeah, it says Gale, Flurry, and Water. So this is Gale. Flurry. Ooh, this is just a pressed glitter. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Ooh, I wish I didn't smash my finger into that. And the last one on the end is Water. It's a pretty blue. I don't know how these colors are going to perform against my skin, but we're just going to see how it goes. The last row is, so this is the first one. This is this one. Oh, that's pretty. That shows up really nice. This is this one here, right next to it. And then the last one on the end, this darker one. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm going to do, but let's just see what we can do. So I'm gonna take this first color, Fire. I'm gonna put it all over my crease. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush to do that. We're just gonna put that all over the lid. And I already prime and prepped my eyes with my P. Louise base in Rumor 1. I use P. Louise for everything just because I love P. Louise. It came out really nice. It's a really nice clean finish. I like how that came out. So yeah, there's been a lot going on since like this whole past month with this whole thing. Well, everybody's quarantined inside. And it kind of sucks because you can't go and do anything fun, but they're doing it to protect all of us, and we all just need to follow the authorities so we can save summer. Because summer, we need our summer vacations, we need our time to go out and have fun and, you know, take a break from everything, from everyday life. So just listen to authorities. And the next color I'm going to go in with on my lids, I think I'm going to try, wow. I wanted to try Gale, this color here. I'm taking a Morphe M210 brush to do that. You can't see it, okay? Unless I do a cut crease. You can't see that at all. That sucks. I'm gonna try ice crystals then, because that's another like shimmer color. Okay, so you can see ice crystals. That's the only problem with certain colors. They don't show up on my skin as I would like them to. And the only way I'd have to like build the color up, but we're just doing a quick tutorial just so I can show you the palette and how it performs. So what have you guys been up to, and how is your families, and how is everybody coping with everything that's going on? Let me know in the comments below. I've been watching a lot of videos from other YouTubers, and everybody's just trying to do their part, and people are coming together in the communities. I'm also trying to learn how to sew masks to help my community. I'm not coming on here to just gloat about that, but I'm trying to teach myself something new, and if I can master it, I'll be doing a little tutorial video to help maybe one of you guys out too. But I have a little ways to go, but I think I'm getting it. You know, my family comes from a little line of people that sew, so. Anyways, let's get back to this little tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Awaken. That's this color on the end here, this glittery kind of color. Kind of just gonna go in the corners a little bit. I will say I don't have to wear makeup every day, so my skin is a little bit better. But I have been getting some panic attacks just because we just don't know what the hell is gonna happen. We don't know what the hell is going on. And the last, I'm gonna put this darker color. I don't know what the hell the name of it is, but it's this dark color in the end. This one. I'm gonna put it in my outer crease. I'm gonna take my blending brush and kind of blend them together, because you want to blend like there's no tomorrow. If you don't blend, people will come scream at you that you don't know how to blend. Okay, now next I'm going to take one of my fingers and go into Flurry. That's this pressed glitter. And I'm going to rub it right. Oh, yes. Oh, can you see how pretty the glitters are? Wow, it looks like ice crystals. So far the palette's okay. It's performing pretty well. Just a couple colors I'm not too sure about, because I don't know if I'll use them, but the colors I do have on, excuse me, I will use these. I do like how it's coming out. Even though this looks kind of reddish on camera, it looks like a dark red. It doesn't look like that in the pan though. So I'm going to come off camera. I'm going to finish up this look. I'll be right back. Okay everybody, my look is done. So what I did is I finished off my face with my regular foundation and my blush in Fiji Fun that I always use, BH Cosmetics Fiji Fun. Highlighter I used was my Maybelline Master Duochrome. Nope, not the Master Chrome Duo. This one. Holographic Face Studio. I popped on these lashes from AOA Studios. I was having a problem with this one, so I used Allie Dawson's technique. How she puts on her lashes. I think if I remember, she puts on the glue on top of her eyelid, then she sticks the eyelash on. Not a bad tip. It did stay on. I took the color Water, and I put it under my under eyes. You could see. And I put the color Cuddle Close in my inner corner, but it doesn't look like the color that's in here. This is more like a duochrome color, and it shows it more pink on my skin tone, but that's okay. My overall look, I do like how the palette performed. There's just a couple colors that they didn't take my skin very well, but overall I give this palette a 1 out of 10. I give it a 7. That's pretty good. because I do like how the colors performed. Is it a palette that I would go for every day? Probably not, but I can always take it and put it in my bags whenever I can travel again. So I had fun doing this look, and if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody.